Welcome back to MobTech Learning Community. In real life, accuracy is essential, whether designing a roof, planning a road junction, creating decorative patterns, or even developing 3D models for printing. We often need to divide an angle into two equal parts. Traditionally, this is done using ruler and compass. Today, let's discover how GeoGebra helps us construct an angle bisector accurately while giving learners an opportunity to explore and understand the concept for themselves. Let's begin by constructing our angle. First, I place 3 points and use the segment tool to join them, forming an angle ABC. Before using any construction tools, I would ask my learners, what do you think an angle bisector does? This gives learners time to predict, encourages curiosity, and prepares them for discovery. I select the Angle Bisector tool. I simply select the two rays or segment that form an angle, and GeoGebra automatically constructs the angle bisector. To verify our construction, I use the angle tool to measure the two new angles. Notice that both angles have exactly the same measure. This confirms that the angle has been divided into two equal parts. One of the GeoGebra's greatest strengths is that it is dynamic. As I drag one side of the angle, observe what happens. The angle changes its size, but the angle bisector adjusts automatically and the two angles remain equal. Instead of simply telling learners the property, GeoGebra allows them to observe, test, and verify it through exploration. You may ask learners, do you think this will always happen? Why do both angles remain equal, even after dragging? Today, we have discovered that angle bisector divides an angle into two equal parts. This simple construction illustrates how mobile technology can transform mathematics from memorization into meaningful exploration. As teachers, how would you use this activity to help your learners discover the concept of an angle bisector rather than simply giving them its definition? Thank you for learning with MobTech Learning Community, where we learn, explore, and grow together through mobile technology. See you in the next session.